The Italian word for patience is
pazienza,
you can trace the origin of the word back to the Latin patienta, meaning suffering.
pazienza,
Some common verbs you'll see used with pazienza include
avere pazienza,
to be patient, to have patience,
perdere la pazienza,
to lose one's patience,
portare pazienza,
to be patient,
mostrare pazienza,
to show patience.
sto per perdere la pazienza,
I'm running out of patience. In Italy, you'll often hear the expression,
abbi pazienza,
which is a command that literally means be patient. You can also use the verb
portare,
instead of avere. Although it can be used in a literal sense, this expression is used just as frequently as a courteous way of apologizing. Compare the following examples.
capita a tutti di attraversare momenti difficili. Abbi pazienza e si sistemerà tutto, vedrai.
We all go through difficult times. Be patient and everything will be fine. You'll see.
Abbi pazienza, ma oggi non posso accompagnarti.
I'm sorry, but I can't go with you today. This expression can also be used as a complaint that's similar in meaning to the English exclamations, oh come on, or give me a break.
Abbi pazienza, come faccio a fare tutto in un giorno?
Oh come on, how can I do everything in one day? Sometimes you may hear pazienza exclaimed in isolation, in which case it means the same as the English expressions, oh well, or never mind.
Purtroppo la gita non è andata come speravo. Pazienza.
Unfortunately, the trip didn't pan out the way I'd hoped. Oh well.
Santa pazienza.
Literally, Saint Patience, on the other hand, is a very mild expletive, meaning for goodness sake.
Grazie per averci seguito.
Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.